Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for achieving your fitness goals. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to lose belly fat in just 2 weeks without any exercise. Yes, you heard that right. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss out on this incredible secret. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details, I want to stress the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. While exercise is crucial for overall health and weight loss, today's video is all about a specific drink that can complement your efforts and help you shed belly fat quickly. So, what's this miraculous drink? Let's find out. The drink I'm talking about is a combination of green tea, lemon, and honey. Green tea is renowned for its metabolism-boosting properties and is packed with antioxidants that aid in fat burning. Lemon adds a tangy twist and helps detoxify your body, while honey provides natural sweetness without the harmful effects of refined sugar. To prepare this belly fat-blasting drink, you'll need a cup of brewed green tea, the juice of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of honey. Start by brewing the green tea according to the package instructions, then let it cool for a few minutes. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and honey and give it a good stir. Now that your magical elixir is ready, it's time to start your 2-week journey to a slimmer belly. Drink this concoction every morning on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. The combination of green tea, lemon, and honey will rev up your metabolism, boost fat burning, and help you achieve a flatter tummy. But remember, while this drink can provide a helping hand in losing belly fat, it's important to approach weight loss holistically. Incorporate healthy eating habits, portion control, and regular exercise for long-term success. Now let's talk about what makes this drink so effective. Green tea contains compounds that increase fat oxidation and thermogenesis, resulting in a higher calorie burn. Lemon's detoxifying properties help flush out toxins and reduce bloating, while honey provides natural sweetness and boosts energy levels. Keep in mind that everyone's body is unique and results may vary. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to drink this fat-blasting elixir every day for 2 weeks. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, this 2-week belly fat loss journey is just a kickstart to a healthier lifestyle. So grab your green tea, lemon, and honey, and let's start shedding those extra pounds together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, take care of your body, mind, and spirit. We'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.